New York Life, now president, owner, and executive recruiter for Diligent Managerial Solutions, a recruiting company. I am here today to discuss ways in which New York Life had empowered African Americans across the nation to save for college, for retirement, and ways in which they could just pass on legacies to their children and loved ones. The purpose today is to discuss the need and opportunity to build black wealth here in America, describe our community empowerment plan that we had at New York Life and we currently have at New York Life, and explain my role as an ambassador for that. I'm also here to invite you to join the movement to which empowers us as African Americans. New York Life has 1,200 African American marketing agents at the pulse of our community, and our mission is to change the financial future of Black America and create financial stability, economic opportunity, and multi-generational wealth. Empower, protect, and provide for families and their dreams, as I said earlier, to go to college, for home ownership, for retirement, and to even create business. Our mission is also to build a strong team of agents that are purpose-driven to provide financial education and tools, to create billions of dollars in our life insurance protection and future income. As a community, we're strong. There are 43 million African Americans in the United States. Each generation stands proudly with the legacy of everyday heroes, civil rights leaders alike that built us as to where we've come from. We're a proud community. We're a successful community. As consumers, we have a purchasing power of $1.2 trillion. That's African Americans alone. However, we continue to struggle each and every time with our economic heights and break the cycle of poverty that's plaguing our communities. We have the money, but we don't have the but we still have the economic challenges that exist today. A typical white household has 13 times the wealth of a black household. That's for every dollar African American would make. You would have a white household that is making $13 more. Now that's the largest gap that we've had since 1989. And one of our missions is to close that wealth gap, to narrow that so that the playing field is equal for our children and our children's children. Other community issues that we have is the home ownership rate. African American community is 43% home ownership versus 73% in the general market to those others. African Americans are the least likely to receive financial support during their lifetimes or inheritance from family members. African American entrepreneurs, they face more challenges to start and build their businesses. Community organizations and institutions are funded by much smaller endowments as compared to the general markets, millions versus billions. Consider these questions. Can we close the wealth gap? Can we become wealth builders and not wealth spenders? Can we create legacies for our families, for our businesses, for our organizations, for those things that are close to our hearts, to those that we love, the institutions that we love? Can we help eradicate poverty in the African American community? With the proper tools, we can. The empowerment plan that we put together is one of a movement to help black families across America to enhance their financial IQ, to better utilize insurance and financial tools and strategies to build, protect, leverage, and to pass on generational wealth. We recognize that our other communities have focused on building wealth for hundreds of years, while most African Americans have not. As a result of their consuming rather than investing, the racial wealth gap has continued to increase. And as I said, it's 13 times today. Our goal as ambassadors is to close that wealth gap And in June 2011, we put forth an initiative to create and put $50 billion into the African American community. And we had a goal by 2011, in 2011, by 2017, that $50 billion would be put in the African American community. And through our ambassadors at New York Life, we were able to achieve that goal. We were able to put $50.5 billion in the African American community. Now that there alone is not enough, but it's a start.